Om Shanti. Hello and welcome to Journey of Spiritual Awareness. Myself Dr. Bhaskar. Today I'm going to explore wonderful world of Chin Mudra, how it can be transform your meditation, bring you closer to a state of deep inner peace. Let's understand introduction of Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra is often called gesture of consciousness. It's a simple yet powerful hand gesture. It is used in yoga and meditation technique. It's a way to channelize your energy, connect with your inner self. How do you do it? Let's break it down. So I'll guide you step by step how to practice Chin Mudra. First we have to choose comfortable any meditative posture, Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana. So when you're sitting, your back neck should be in a straight line so that you'll be able to concentrate. You should remove the hunchback. So first we'll have to sit like that and place the palm on the thigh and back neck straight, eyes closed. First slowly you have to bring the index finger closer to the thumb and touch each other like that. This is called fire, this is called air. Air sign and fire sign has to be touched. And place it on the thigh. So when you're touching, what happened? Your energy will be channelized to the brain. So you should sit like that and eyes should be closed. For a few seconds, you'll have to observe the breathing. Up to the 30 minutes. So make sure that your firm connection should be between the thumb and index finger, like that. So you can extend half an hour, 1 hour. It depends upon your time convenience. In USA, they have done lots of research on Chin Mudra, how Chin Mudra can work on adolescent memory cognitive process. They have made two groups, one is experimental group, another one is control group. In the experimental group, they took 300 adolescents, and as well as even the control group also, they took 300 adolescents. They wanted to compare that how Chin Mudra can work on the adolescent cognitive process. Cognitive process in the sense observation, perception and concentration. They have given 3 months Chin Mudra. They taught them Chin Mudra up to the 3 months. For the control group, there is no intervention. Then after the 3 months, they have collected the post data and statistically they have analyzed that there is a huge difference. The huge changes significantly improved their cognitive process, especially in the experimental group. Their concentration has improved, their observation has improved, their perception has improved. Then control group, there is no significant changes. Everybody got surprised after getting the result. They started using the Chin Mudra on the adolescents. So this is the power of Chin Mudra, how Chin Mudra can work on our cognitive process. Not only the cognitive process as well as our physical health also. So Chin Mudra is a good tool power to control the anger management. Many people having this problem, that is called anger disorders. They are unable to control their anger. So due to the past karma, they have made this habituated process. They are unable to come out of that. Keep on getting angry with all the people, those who are coming in contact with them, they are keep on getting angry. They are not able to control the anger. So I would recommend to do the Chin Mudra. It is a best tool to control the anger. Those who are getting angry regularly, every day, more than 10 times, it can lead to the cancer. Even research says that. Those who are getting 10 times anger, it may lead to the arthritis. And mental disorders. In order to control our anger, so best tool is Chin Mudra can be practiced. Chin Mudra can practice it anytime while walking, while sitting, while watching TV. Anytime you can be incorporated in your daily routine. There are lots of benefits are there if you do Chin Mudra, especially sleep management. Those are not getting sleep. What happened? They can do Chin Mudra every day. They get nice sleep. And especially for stress and anxiety, depression, those who are having this problem, they can incorporate in their daily life. It can be cured. And as well as even physical disorders also. I would like to recommend to incorporate the Chin Mudra in your daily life so that your life will be wonderful, enormous, amazing. So this was the Chin Mudra. Thank you for watching my videos. For more information, please subscribe my channel so that you will get in the future good content. Thank you all. Om Shanti.